find the minimum of root of x squared minus 2x plus 2 plus root of x squared minus 10x plus 34. X is a real number. The first term can be written as root of x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 1. The second term can be written as root of x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus 9. The first term can be written as root of x minus 1 all squared plus 0 minus 1 all squared. The second term can be written as root of x minus 5 all squared plus 0 minus 3 all squared, which is equal to AP plus PB. A is the point 1, 1. B is the point 5, 3. P x 0 is a moving point on the x-axis. Thus, solving the problem is equivalent to finding the minimum of AP plus PB. Construct a symmetrical point of A with the x-axis as the line of symmetry, and let it be A dash 1 minus 1. Connect BA dash and intersect the x-axis at C. Connect AC. AC equals CA dash. For P doesn't equal C, AP plus PB is greater than AC plus CB. Can you work out why? Thus, the minimum of AP plus PB is AC plus CB. Since AC equals CA dash, thus the minimum of AP plus PB is CA dash plus CB equals BA dash. BA dash equals root of 5 minus 1 all squared plus 3 minus 1 all squared, which is equal to root of 4 squared plus 4 squared, which is root of 32, which can be written as 4 root 2. Hence, the minimum of root of x squared minus 2x plus 2 plus root of x squared minus 10x plus 34 is 4 root 2. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.